this summer we've been reviewing Mac's sight words. They called them star words in your kindergarten class, right, Lily?
Yeah.
Did you guys call them star words? So we were practicing spelling some of them. So something fun that I did with Mac at home was I gave her sentences each night these past 2 weeks as we geared up to get ready to go back to school. And we wrote a story about Lily using all of the star words from kindergarten. Oh, we have a friend in here. So Mac wanted to read her story to Lily. Here we go.
Lily is going with me to the park. She said she saw a good swing there. I like to put her in the swing, and then we play with Owen. We are there for the day, but then I have to go home. Owen and Huck see my toy. Now they look for Lily's toy. They went to one of the little slides. It was on. It has no ladder. So this is what they do. The two
Boys.
jump to the top and come down at the end.
Yay! And it sounds a little funny, parents, because I was trying to make all the star words fit, but you can see how that's a fun thing you can do with your kids. You can make up sentences. Hey, Lily, do you recognize any of your words? Any of your star words from that story? Is, I think, was one. What else? And some of them are new first grade words that you're having now. They. Now.
He.
Lots of words.
And the biggest one, which we learned like
One
this.
and.
No,
Yeah,
the first,
one was one of your star
and
words.
the first one we learned is
And little and a lot of.
A lot of them. It's
And
chock.
two